I'm learning how to do this, folks. Okay, this is 1 inch. This is a 1 inch nut fastener. Okay, I'm going to to make my life easy, I plan on using this right here, a impact wrench, DeWalt. But I want to cut this off here to begin with. Let's see, how does this look? Okay, I think that shows it. Here we go. Woohoo. There's a tube removed. All right, set this aside. Gonna have to make me a junk pile. Okay. Okay. There's this thing called heat and physics and expansion. Obviously, there's nothing around me that's really flammable, except for the plastic and the other stuff. Okay, you're recording. Sorry, I had to go. This is a video I'm recording with. Had to go get a 27 millimeter size, because these are different. Honestly. There we go. I remember reading about something, there's a right place to be to transfer the most heat. I can see things turning orange on the thinner steel. I guess I best focus over here. I'm trying to expand this. There we go. There you go. Right? I'm not going to touch this because it's good and warm. Okay. I'm going to go set this on the floor. There's the EGR valve end. Here's the EG valve end. Gonna go set this down to cool for a good long time. Okay. All right. Here is the other end. Make sure this is the right size. This feels a little loose. This is the right size here. This is the 27 millimeter. I'm going to put it back where it's in there so it goes in the truck for the farm. This is the other side. Let me see if I can level this out just a little. Okay. See, we're still recording. It looks like we're still recording. Can you see the hand? I think so. All right. This is the same basic maneuver. Need to get a new one of these, a TX504. Some of the carbon catching on fire, I guess from escape gases maybe. I think I can see some smoke. You may be able to see it better. Starting to smell some heat now. Oh yeah, there we go, got some smoke. Set that down. Impact gun. There it is. So there you go. Okay, interesting. Here are the pieces. This is the new tube I'm going to install, right? And it's going to go in this way where you can still feel the heat coming off of that. But where this is going to connect directly to the EGR valve here, this part will connect to this is going to connect into this tube, and this goes into the engine intake. The engine intake manifold is right here. So it catches the gas coming from here, or it sends emission gases back. And it connects on this side is where the EGR valve goes. Let me back up so you can see enough. This is the passenger side of the vehicle. EGR valve goes into to there. All right, So with that, let me stop this recording and process it and continue on.